everyone, welcome back. Today I got here the Can-Am Outlander 850, and I'm going to be installing the heated hand grips. Here we go. Here's the part number for the kit I will be using. If you would like the paper instructions, go to the website, type in the part number, and it's pretty straightforward from there. And here is everything that comes in the kit. For this job, I'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a semi-dull knife, a 3mm Allen key, and a 6mm Allen key. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Phillips head screwdriver and remove the end caps. Now I'm going to take a slightly dulled knife and very carefully cut the hand grips off. Okay, as you've seen, there sure was no shortage of glue on those hand grips, and no way to take them off without completely destroying them. So now, I'm just going to take my knife and scrape down the bars, make sure they're nice and clean for the new hand grips to go on. Now I can slide on the new hand grips with the wire facing forward, and then I'll tighten up the 3mm Allen key. Next, I need to take off the front console, but first I'll need to remove the seat and the plastic panel in the middle. Next, I'm going to stick on my thumb heater. That was a tight fit, but after a lot of wiggling, I got it on there. Next, I'm going to install my control unit. You might have to move your switches over just a little bit to make room for this unit. I'm going to put the metal support plate on top, and then use the washer and bolt. Now I can reinstall my bar ends. If you're finding this one useful, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and smash that thumbs up. It really goes a long way to helping out the channel. Next, I'm going to bring all my wires forward to the front of the bars here, and then I'll put 2 zip ties on each side, securing the wires to the handlebars. On the left side, I've placed 1 zip tie up here and 1 zip tie down here. On the right side, I've done pretty much the same thing with 1 zip tie up here and 1 zip tie down here. Make sure you leave some slack on the wire going to your thumb throttle so that it doesn't get pulled tight and damaged when you operate the throttle. I've gone ahead and added the zip tie right here, securing all the small wires to the original wire harness. I then fed the wires underneath the piece of plastic and out the top. I now need to locate my auxiliary power connector. Coming down from the top here, it is usually the very top connector right here. I'm going to pull it up, and you can see it's got a dummy cap on it. That's our plug right there. Here is a better look at the connector you are looking for. It has 2 wires going into it. One is red with a purple tracer, and the other is black. First, I'll connect the hand grips and the thumb warmer to the wire harness, and then I'll connect the wire harness to the auxiliary power. Okay, now that I have all my wires connected, the last thing I need to do is reinstall the dummy cap. You can see I have my heated hand grips here plugged into the original wire harness. And then here, we got a spare connector coming off the heated hand grips wire harness with the dummy cap on it. And that is where you can connect other accessories. Now, I'm going to reinstall my center console and try them out. Okay, let's turn them on and see if they work. The hand grips are turned off when the lights are off. There's a separate setting for the hand grips and the thumb. I'll let them sit for a couple minutes and we'll see how they do. And there we go. I can already tell they're getting nice and warm. They work great. So there we have it. We're all done here. As you can see, very clean install, no wires hanging down. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my heated hand grip install on the Can-Am Outlander 850. Stay safe out there.